Hello guys, welcome back again. So finally a huge downside move had came on Cardano and why I am happy because I told you previously in all my videos almost I think 3 or 5 days consistently I am explaining that downside move is coming and finally that downside move came and I think 60 or 70% market crashes due to tariffs which are imposed on China by the US. So, what could be the next possibilities? Actually, this type of structure was forming and it's called descending triangle. So, this triangle usually breaks downside, but it has tested this fair value gap, which is absolutely amazing. I was totally not expecting to go up this much. I was expecting little bit like zero point 0.5 or something like that, but it has gone up to 0.25 and now jumped off from that. I think this major move was just to liquidate most of the people and just to pressurize those people who don't put stop losses and who don't exit in the market earlier. So, what could be the next possibility now? Let's check on daily time frame. And of course, break of structure happened in 4 hour and 1 hour. Selling is still there. It's of course bad news for buyers, but selling is still available. Just look at these high volume came on this down move and decreasing volume or low volume coming on this up move. This up move is not valid. Market will jump downside from this area. Okay. Now what you should do? You can watch this level carefully. If market form any bearish engulfing evening star in this area, then take entry for the sell side and you can target up here. Stop loss will be above this fair value gap. So when you will use volumes, when you will use candlestick pattern, when you will use fair value gap and resistance area, these things will make a confluence and each will add credibility to the trade. In this way, the accuracy of your trade will be increased. Okay. So if you are my group member, you must be in a sell trade. If you are my old subscriber, you must be in a sell trade. Why? Because last from last week I am consistently explaining that selling is coming, and look at this selling. Actually, I work on volume spread analysis method, and that method detects the footprints of institutions, smart money, and whales. So those big players have some knowledge that what is happening next, and when they will enter or exit, a huge volume will come, and according to those footprints, I usually detect and I go in their direction. They were in short or selling, and I entered position in the sell side. Also, my group members was also in the sell side because you can watch my previous all analysis. Proofs are available that what I predicted and market is going perfectly with that. Now let's check on weekly time frame, and evening star was formed from last 3 to 4 weeks. I am explaining this that evening star is forming on Cardano, bearish sign is available, bearish move is coming, and look at this retest. Final retest has happened two times up to 0.88 area. This was the selling entry I consistently told everybody, and my stop losses was above here. And look at this, a huge downside move, amazing. If we go into daily time frame. Also, in daily time frame, I explained in my previous analysis about this area, this evening star, this bearish engulfing. And you can see I told you to watch this level if there is any bullish pattern available on this level. But of course market did not stop there. Market suddenly goes downside, and that setup was invalid because we did not form any bullish pattern in this level. So this is the power of using price action patterns with the support and resistance. You can easily escape from the bad trades. If some people have put buy limit here, they must be in a huge loss. So that's why proper confirmation, proper alignment of entries, and proper alignment of confirmations is highly necessary in this whole market. Let's go on more lower time frames, and let's see what we have. So fair value gap, bearish fair value gaps are available on this area. And if we talk about 4 hour and 1 hour, this area is very important, and also this area. So if you found bearish pattern here like bearish engulfing evening star, again you can take entry for the sell side. Same scenario is here. If market does not form any bearish sign in this area, you can wait for this area, and if market reaches there, if market form any bearish sign, you can take entry there, but this is recommended. Stop loss will be above it. Keep in mind that stop loss is highly necessary and recommended, because what if market directly goes upside like it happened in the downside? If you have stop loss, you will be just cut it from the market, and you can recover that little stop loss from another trade. But if you have hit stop loss at 0.30, 0.40, how you will recover? If you have liquidation, how you will recover? Okay, so that's why learning risk management, learning volume spread analysis method, and all these things are necessary. Our courses are available on Udemy. My recommendation is that you can join our premium volume spread analysis course. It's available with 50% discount for few days. Must take benefit. It's a 9 hours of knowledge in which we combine ICT concepts, volumes concepts, and confluence of market structure and price action patterns. You will get a lot of knowledge, and then practice, practice, demo practice, you will become perfect.